I will guide you on how to resolve the issue when Windows 10/11 search is not working.
You're a liar, liar. Your heart's on fire.